Defense Minister Honorable Obamjinguli is paying 25,000 to a victim of brutal army shootings as compensation for injuries inflicted on his eyes when soldiers fired bullets to suppress anti-government protests in August 2018. Rapida mashoko kuda panguva inochekwa Defense Minister panguva ino ochajiwa kuda kumashootings august 1 ndipo subscribe whatever tipika munoziri mudoni pamuchinzi Zakeo Mtimutema, who in 2018 worked for Zimbabwe Congress of Trade Unions, ZCTU, sued the Defense Minister of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Minister Kasimbe Kasembe and ZRP Commissioner General Stephen Mutanda for damages after some glass particles got into his eyes when armed soldiers shot at his building crossing his offices on 1 August 2018, while displacing some people who were protesting against alleged electoral malpractices during the harmonized elections. Mtimutema sustained some injuries and partially lost his eyesight after a straight bullet fired by members of the ZNA who were displacing people protesting against the delay of the release of presidential election results, shattered glasses of window to his office at Galon House. The level specialist had to undergo 3 unsuccessful eye surgeries to remove fine glasses particles that pierced his eyes after a bullet fired by soldiers shattered glass windows at his ZCTU offices. Mtimutema was recently represented by Obey Shaba of Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, and initially it awarded 295,000 Zimbabwean dollar estimates in October 2020 as damages for pay in suffering, medical expenses, and general damages, which Mchinguri Kazembe and Tamba would reneged on paying. On Tuesday, 29 July 2025, Mtimutema was a relieved man after Honorable Mchinguri agreed to pay the labor law specialist $25,000 as compensation for damages for current and future medical expenses, pain and suffering, and general damages. Domashoko anobuda panguva ino uchionekwa kuti aiwa panguva ino this 2018 scandal and shootings panguva ino inozionekwa kuti aiwa akaafekta vanhu vakawandisa and this Mtimutema Zakeo anoonekwa kuti akwanisa kuzochizorodzwa after vana vopamchinguri vasikwanisa kumupa $25,000 current and future medical expenses. Nakuna section yedu nzamafungo eno kulipa msako chituko ichi. Sonza tutaibu like, chetongo bell icon.